This is the maturity model I recommend. Level 1, making AI data aware. Start with data foundation. That is non-negotiable. Level 2, making AI semantic aware. AI understands business terminology in this layer. Level 3 is making AI operationally aware. Now AI understands what is happening in the business. Level 4 is making AI business aware. AI behaves like an experienced employee with this level. Level 5 is autonomous agents. AI does not just answer questions, it participates in business workflows.